how to get rid of the fear of public speaking. So today I will give you just one tip to get rid of the fear of public speaking. Do you have the guts to stay uncomfortable? Do you have the guts to feel uncomfortable? Yes, 80% of the people in this world, they move in and move out of the uncomfortable zone, right? So I will explain it to you. What is that uncomfortable zone? So for example, I'll share with you my experience. So what happened is, for the first time in life, when somebody on the stage, the anchor called me to speak for 5 minutes, what I did is I just went there, stood on the stage for maybe 5 to 10 seconds, gave a smile, and then asked the anchor that, can I come back later? I'm feeling uncomfortable. And I moved back and went to my seat, right? So this zone is called the uncomfortable zone. Now, what is the correct way is, when you go to the stage and when you stand there, give yourself some time. If you are feeling nervous, if you are feeling uncomfortable in terms of any physical sensations, heartbeat, or maybe, like hands sweating and then fear, that's okay. Just feel it and be there for at least 60 seconds or maybe 90 seconds. And believe me, the fear will come down. You will start feeling comfortable slowly and gradually, and then you can start speaking. So this is how you face the fear, right? So it's very important to feel uncomfortable. It's very important to be vulnerable to the audience, right? So be in that uncomfortable zone. Give yourself time for at least 1 minute, and you see the difference. Always take up an opportunity. Always face the fear. Do not run away from the fear. Stay tuned for the next video.